I don't know about you, but I'm always on the go and I'm always looking for recipes that I can take with me. So today I'm making a sun-dried tomato, goat cheese, and egg frittata muffin courtesy of PlateJoy. So let's get cooking. First, we will need some eggs. Of course, we need sun-dried tomatoes and goat cheese, obviously, but we're also gonna need some milk, garlic, rosemary, oregano. It's really easy. All you have to do is take all of those ingredients, mix them up in a bowl, and then divide it into 8 of these muffin tin cups. I'm just gonna stick it in the oven over there, cook it on 400 for about 22 minutes, and voila, on the go goodness. Let's see how it tastes. It definitely smells good. You can smell the rosemary, you can smell the goat cheese and the sun-dried tomatoes. Right, here goes nothing. You can definitely taste the goat cheese, the rosemary. Super delicious and nutritious snack to take with you on the go anywhere. Thank you so much, PlateJoy.